Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's look, I decided to film a simple olive green makeup tutorial for you guys. I know that in my previous videos, I've done a lot of green eyeshadow looks, but then please don't get bored with me. I hope to do more green eyeshadow looks. I just love to incorporate the various shades of green into my eye look because I feel like green eyeshadows complement dark skin very well. So, which is why I am not giving it up anytime, any day. So please bear with me. And I love this look because it's very unique, it's very simple, and paired with a nude lip, it's just the perfect go-to look for any occasion of your choice. So I hope you guys get much use out of this video and consider this like a makeup therapy, especially for Labor Day, because today that I'm filming this look is Labor Day. So I know that most of you will be at home. So just sit back, relax, and enjoy this tutorial. And yeah, let's get started. So for foundation, I'm going to be mixing this Anastasia Beverly Hills Impeccable Blurring Second Skin Matte Foundation and I Am Magic Foundation shade Togo by Juvias, please. So the last time that I applied this Anastasia Beverly Hills Blurring Matte Foundation, it kind of felt like as if it was slightly darker than my skin tone. So I'm just going to combine the two and let's see if I'll get my perfect shade. So for eyeshadow, I am going to be taking Cape Town from the Culture 2 palette, which is this shade here. and I'll be applying it all over my crease area. So looking at the look, I wasn't planning on applying any other eyeshadow. I just wanted to keep it soft, but then I feel like I should apply a brown eyeshadow to it just to give it an extra boost. So I am going to be applying this dark brown shade here to the crease, and I don't want it all over the place. I just want it to be very precise, which is why I'm going to be using my pencil brush, and I'll pick up a little and kind of create a contour around my eyes. So I'm going to go back and apply Cape Town to my crease. So for my next eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying Green Juice from Colourpop. This is the Super Shock Ultra Metallic Shadow. And you can apply it with a damp brush or a dry brush, but I prefer to apply it with a damp brush so that it will just give me that extra shimmer effect. to set my concealer, I'm going to be applying Gobi from Juvia's Place. Cheers! For my second setting powder, I'm using Shortbread, which is the I Am Magic Silky Finishing Powder. Then I'm going to apply this shade to my under eye. Then I'm also going to apply Cape Town. Next, I'm going to be contouring my face using my Juvia's Place powder foundation. This is Niger Deep Dark 2. So for blush, I'm going to be applying my blushed cream blush. This is from Juvia's Place and it's Cheeky Cherry. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be applying Knock on Wood from Dose of Colors. This is their liquid matte lipstick. I love the smell. So I'm going to apply lip gloss to these beautiful lips, and the lip gloss I'm going to be applying is Oasis from Juvias Place. This is their Nubian Earth Lip Reflect Gloss. I think I've mentioned it several times in previous videos. Then I'm going to apply highlighter. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Please drop your comments for me in the comment section and let me know what aspect of this video you enjoyed. Please do well to check my other videos, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.